What's the meaning of Asian? Asian. Asian.
Asian. Asian. Asian refers to people or things from the continent of Asia, the largest and most populous continent in the world. The term encompasses a diverse group of cultures, ethnicities, languages, and religions, including but not limited to Chinese, Japanese, Korean, Indian, Pakistani, Filipino, and many more. Due to the wide range of countries and cultures included under the label Asian, it is important to recognize and respect the individual differences and nuances within each group. Additionally, the term should be used with awareness of potential stereotypes and biases.